Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to see archived lists in ClickUp. So in ClickUp, if you want to see archived lists, so let's say I have this list right here which says project 1, so I will click right here and archive. So right now I want to find this archived list. So go over to lists, go over to search right here. And now this button right here is the filter button, and press archived. And as you can see all of the archived tasks that are available right here. So choose the project 1 right here. And now you can see the list that has been archived. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.